Welcome to the short video on how to access the content and the discussion tools within the learning management system. So when you logged in, you saw My Home, and then you of course chose your course. And in this navigation bar for the course home, you'll see that there are two buttons here. There's content, and there's also the discussions. Let's start with the content, because this is where you're accessing all the main course information for this particular class. Once you get here, you can let's just scroll down a little bit, and you'll see that there is a table of contents which will list all the modules that you'll be working on. And in this section here, you'll see the actual content itself. So the name of the activity, as well as the information you're to read. Now, notice there are some icons that you'll see throughout the course content where, there may be listening exercises you need to work on. You will also see, as I scroll further through this document, things like other icons for watching short videos, or again, if you see this sort of icon, this is an indicator that there will be a discussion. So you just move through the content and click onto the appropriate links as you are requested, and that will get you through the content. The other item that we're going to look at is the discussion. So let's just head right over to the discussion button. Here you will notice that there are a variety of discussions set up. I've got the first one here. You'll find more of them as time goes on, and then the topic. What you have to do in this discussion is make sure that you are under the appropriate discussion list, and then go into the introduction. In this case, this is the first topic. And when you're here, you have to start a new thread. So each time you want to start a discussion, you have to start a new thread. So let's click on that and enter a subject, and then you'll see this familiar WYSIWYG environment. It's the same for all the different areas that you're going to be entering content in, so you'll gain a lot of comfort with it. You can, of course, add stuff, which includes things like embedding code, and you can add images and quick links and a lot of other typographic features here. So very powerful. Now, don't forget, you have to post at the end, or else it will just disappear. If you feel like you would like to add some attachments, feel free to do that here. If you want to attach a document, you can do it at that point. Again, just remember to click post. All right, that's how we use the content and the discussions.